Hi everyone, it's Don and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, Carnival Cruise Line has just announced that their famous Sea Day Brunch is changing. And people, they're on both sides of the fence. In case you've never sailed on Carnival Cruise Line before, one of the premier events on board that people seem to love is the Sea Day Brunch, where they offer a multitude of choices, and they've decided to change that and roll it out to 11 different ships, and more will eventually come in the future once this new menu is tested. When we take a look at the two menus from the first iteration to the new iteration, you can see that the new menu is much more varied with a lot more choices on the menu. So automatically, you can see there's burgers, there's pasta, there's a multitude of choices for you to choose. However, of course, if you're going to change a menu, you're going to change a menu. So obviously some things got missed. Or shall I say, removed from the menu. And this is what has an awful lot of people truly upset. I guess they really love these things on Carnival Cruise Line. And I will admit, I've never had some of these choices, but one of them is the Flamin' Tomato Soup. And I like a good tomato soup going on, so I can see if this is a really good soup on the ship that people might be upset. Why is it removed? It's tomato soup. It should be very simple to keep in the menu. Another one, of course, is mac and cheese, which is a kid's favorite and an adult favorite sometimes as well. Again, this can be, kind of an easy menu choice. People are saying it should have just been left on. It's not a hard menu to make. But Carnival's trying to vary up their menu to appeal to more people and be more friendly across the board. And then, of course, we have one of the ones that get the most critical acclaim as being people upset about. And that is their cereal encrusted French toast. And when you look at the picture, I've never had this myself, but it just looks like you're eating about 2 weeks of calories in one day and all the sugar. All the sugar. How much sugar are you eating? All of it. I'm eating all of the sugar. I'm seeing dentists out there right now going, what are you doing? But again, you can't please everybody, right? To me, the menu looks more varied, has a lot more choices on board, and I'm sure some of the new items on these menus will soon become people's new favorites. So let's give the menu a choice, see what happens. It's not rolled out to all the ships yet. It's going to be a progressive thing, and there's a total of 11 right now. So kind of curious why only 11. If you're going to make a change, just make a change right across the board, right? So, but that's where we stand now. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about changing the Sea Day Brunch menu? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Are those things that I mentioned, the tomato soup, the cereal encrusted French toast, and the mac and cheese, was it really that good? Because it's been a long time since I've been on Carnival, so I'm just curious. Is it really that good to be upset that it's no longer on that Sea Day menu? Well, we'll soon find out. Leave me a note in the comments down below, and I'm very curious. Well, I hope you liked this update. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs from around the world, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.